So we've got 7 different products related to SEO. Our oldest product and sort of our flagship product is called Insite. It's for spelling and link checking. So you get this application, you give it your website address, you hit go, and it will go through and it will find all of the spelling mistakes and broken links on your site. It supports, a variety of languages, and it also does, the newer versions do word counting for websites. It does keyword density analysis, and it checks, in version 4, that's the newest release, it now checks for 20 or 30 SEO best practices on your site. So it goes through and it finds out, or it offers suggestions basically on how you can sort of improve the SEO on your website according to industry best practices. Sitemap Creator's another one of our older products, and it's for generating Google sitemaps. The latest release supports video sitemaps now. It also does image sitemaps, and you can create HTML sitemaps, although those aren't really that popular anymore. That was a big thing years and years and years ago when crawlability of your site was something that sort of people thought of in a secondary sense, and so they'd create an HTML sitemap. But now with the Google XML sitemap standard, people aren't really creating HTML sitemaps anymore because you've got this other thing that's machine readable that search spiders are using. Web2Disk is another really popular product. That's used less by people in SEO and it's more of a mainstream product. It's for taking websites and creating local copies of them that you can browse offline. So a lot of our customers are using this to put their website on like a USB stick or on CD, or making archive copies. A lot of our enterprise customers use Web2Disk to create like a weekly snapshot of their website for accountability reasons and that sort of thing. We have some more advanced products like Orfind is for doing orphan file analysis. So companies use Orfind to analyze all of the links on their website, and then it will look at the actual files on your server, and it will tell you which ones are unused or unlinked by the site. And that's really useful for older websites where maybe you've had a number of people administering it and maintaining it, and every time you build a new website, you're literally just like putting new files on the foundation of the old ones, but you never really get rid of anything. So your server ends up with all these excess files on it, and you have a lot of, it becomes impossible to tell what's needed and what's not needed anymore. So customers love that because it's kind of a niche product, but it's super effective at what it does, and in some cases it's the only practical way to get through thousands of files to figure out what you can get rid of.